Ever since I started this channel, I've been using the Apple Screenshot to record videos. Although not the worst, I've had the following issues. I've had recordings with no sound. Sometimes the recordings would seem fine, but then it only recorded for seconds. Or maybe the incredibly annoying sound glitch that I get, which makes the clip practically unusable. So today I'll talk about FocuSee, which hasn't been any trouble so far. If you're doing any type of screen recording work like tutorials or explainer videos, you need what? High quality recordings. The software brings that, but it also gives you smart features which makes editing easier. You can easily crop your video, highlight sections of your videos with the spotlight, automatically add zoom-ins, and it also has automatic mouse tracker. And for those of you that really like this screen recorder, I have 5 promo codes that I'm giving away. I have hidden 3 words in this video, so watch closely. Find them, then send them to me via email. Of course, you'll have to subscribe. I'll give those codes away to the first 5 people that send me the correct 3 words that I've hidden in this video. Was that clear enough? I got 3 words in the video. Send it to me via email. Subscribe to this channel, of course. And yeah, the first 5 win. Continue. FocuSee has a very simple workflow starting from the download. Just go to the website and get the app. The user interface is very friendly. Even a 4th grader could get it. You have 3 recording modes. Again, easy to configure. Just pick one and then choose if you'd like to record your camera. Pick if you want to record audio, and if the answer is yes, you have to choose which input device you want. You can also choose to record the audio from a specific app. There's also a teleprompter feature. Let me know if you want to learn more. Then just press record, finish your recording, and press stop. Now I'll show you how to make this easy tracking effect in DaVinci Resolve. I'll record the tutorial on FocuSee and then show you the result. Good, and now subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to reach 1 million subscribers. Perfect, thank you, continue. Okay, first while in the edit tab, press shift and spacebar to get the tool selector and type in planar tracker. Go to the first frame and set the reference time. Then for tracker, choose hybrid area and draw the area. I zoom in while scrolling on my mouse wheel and holding command. Then switch the motion type to translation, rotation, and scale and press track till end. DaVinci does the math and we're ready. Then we will switch the operation type to steady. Stabilize works too. In the edit tab, we need to zoom in a little bit. I already had done this, but it's basically to hide the portions of the frame where it moves and shows the black background. FocuSee has a built-in editor. I trimmed the beginning, I adjusted the zoom in effect to my liking. You can play around with the padding, roundness, insert, shadow, and of course, you can switch the background or insert your own. I chose the mouse click and animation, and I simply export it. All easy peasy lemon squeezy. But that's not all the options that FocuSee provides. From here you can switch your canvas size, and there are pretty much all the options that you need. You can enable the fixed zoom part option, which is a style and a personal choice, but both look good. I already told you about the padding, insert, roundness, and shadow, but here are them in action again. I especially love the different cursor styles and variety of click effects. They're pretty neat. Being able to adjust the motion blur is great too, as this gives the overall professional look. One of the main features of FocuSee is the spotlight effect, which highlights a special part of the video. Just pick the spotlight effect, adjust the length in the timeline, set it on the correct place. This rectangle mask is where the spotlight will highlight. You have the options to adjust the roundness of the mask, the mask's opacity, and the mask feathering. And there's this great button that allows you to add the changes to all of your spotlight effects in the current edit. Cool. I think most people that do such work in some capacity and are not familiar with any video editing software will definitely benefit from this app. So go ahead and download FocuSee now. And don't forget, the first 5 people that find the 3 hidden words and email them to me will get FocuSee for free. Good luck. But if you want to improve your video editing skills, watch this video next. Bye.